Hi everybody, I just have a few quick tips for the grade book here in Canvas. One thing you'll notice when you go in here is that the order of the assignments doesn't line up with how things are due. You get week 9 here in the third column. If you want to change that, and I recommend you do this, you can arrange by using this view button, you can arrange it by due date oldest to newest. So this is going to order them in the order that they're due. When you do that, you'll see that you get week one's journal, then week two's discussion, then week two's journal. This is the exact order that everything comes in due. As far as grading the journals, I'm sure you're aware you can jump straight into the speed grader using this little door here and go through those journals and enter the grade there. A question was asked about the discussions if they're automatically graded, meaning they get a point automatically if they respond and no point if they don't. That is not the case. So we do have to actually enter a grade here. You'll see that anybody who does submit will have this little book icon, and anyone who doesn't submit will have this line. So what I would recommend is if they have the line, you can go in and put the zeros in for those who missed it, didn't do it by the time of class. Then anybody who does have the little book, to give them all the 1 point, you can set a default grade. And if you make this 1 point here, and you're not going to overwrite already entered grades, those zeros, when you set that default grade at 1, it's going to give everybody who submitted that 1 point. So that's a quick way to get the points entered for that. We do recommend that you go and look at the content of the submissions as well, just so you can see what kind of quality you're getting on the discussion boards. But this is just a quick hint on how you can enter those grades in a quick way.